Today we're going to review the Resonator delete Y pipe for the EcoBoost Mustang, the 15, 16 and up Mustang with the EcoBoost 4-cylinder. Now the Resonator delete system is intended to be a very simple direct fit application. It does require cutting of the stock axle over the axle tube, and this piece fits in place of the Resonator. The goal is that we're going to increase our sound quality, our loudness, and give the exhaust system some additional character and pizzazz at a very affordable cost. So we're retaining the H-pipe portion and whatever axle back system we have on the car. This particular car, we already have an aftermarket axle back. This has the Roush axle back system on it. So what we're testing or evaluating is before being the factory Resonator and catalyst to after being the factory catalyst, the MRT Resonator delete, and the Roush axle back. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go do some driving evaluation into the gas and just driving in a normal civilized manner. I have plenty of exhaust presence. It's a little bit louder than it was before we had removed the Resonator. Okay, next we're gonna get up into still a kind of city driving. This is a 50-mile-an-hour zone, so we're gonna get out into traffic and get up to speed a little bit more briskly. So in that evaluation, obviously my throttle input was much greater. We accelerated much more quickly. The exhaust note was also increased, so definitely sounded like a performance sports car exhaust. No guessing as to whether or not we were scooting along and trying to accelerate quickly. The exhaust pretty much announced that for us. The other evaluation that we do is highway. So we're going to try to get up onto the highway and get up to 70 miles an hour. Alright, now we're at 75 miles an hour, about 2,200 RPMs, steady state on the highway. Drone is essentially non-existent. Really no issue with boom or resonance. There'd be no reason to not like the sounds that are happening. Tire noise is pretty much on par with the exhaust noise at this point. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit to 2,000 RPM, which is going to put us right at 70 miles an hour. And let's see what happens at that range. Pretty much identical. I hear more tire noise than I do exhaust sound. Definitely no resonance, no boom. So if you want to add a little more sound to your EcoBoost Mustang, give it a little bit more of that sports car performance image, the Resonator delete I think is a very good option. It's very easy on the budget, very easy to install, and it will make a noticeable difference. Please select the MRT Resonator delete Y pipe for your EcoBoost Mustang. You'll enjoy it. Nobody makes a system of higher quality materials. Every system is handcrafted here in Plymouth, Michigan. See us at www.shopmrt.com.